The first ones appeared after the great storm. They bore no flags, no marks of origin. They simply floated there, round, gleaming, silent, as if the sea itself had delivered them. For days we watched them from the promenades. No one dared to touch them. Some said they were shelters, for when the water finally rises. Others swore they were probes, machines sent to measure how much time we have left here. Now there are capsules on every beach along the Cantabrian coast. In Zarauts, they are used as altars. In Mundaka, they are covered in protest graffiti. In Guitaria, it is said that some open at night and emit a low hum, as if calling out to someone who is not us. Each tide brings more. Sometimes they arrive alone, other times in perfectly aligned groups, as though following an invisible choreography. The sea seems to protect them, cradling their arrival, allowing them to rest upon the sand. The Basque government has declared the coasts restricted zones. Yet there are still those who approach them at dawn. They say that if you get close enough, you can hear your own voice whispering from within, not the voice of now, but of a future that has already happened. Perhaps they are not shelters, nor weapons, nor anyone's machines. Perhaps they are messages, or warnings, or reminders. Sometimes when the sea retreats, I can see my reflection in one of them. And for a second, I swear that what stands on the other side of the glass moves just a little faster than I do.